What are emotional freedom techniques, also known as EFT or tapping? EFT is very famous right now since it's been around for the last 22 years since Gary Craig created it in 2000, or I'm sorry, 1993 is when Gary Craig created it. EFT is psychological acupuncture, except we don't use needles. EFT is a hybrid of thought field therapy, but it's a whole lot simpler. What we're going to do is tap on different energy points, the top of the head, on the face, eyebrows, side of eye, under nose, chin, collarbone, underarm, and the fingers. This will remove the emotional blocks to success. It also helps you to gain clarity and make different choices. If you have a belief that you've been living with that's in your way from making good decisions, EFT will allow you to change that belief. It helps make a cognitive shift. Our decisions aren't done consciously. Our decisions are done unconsciously. We make our decisions from the beliefs and the experiences of our lives that are stored in our unconscious brain. We might think of things consciously, but the drivers, just like the drivers for everything that run on your computer, the drivers to your choices and decisions are unconscious. So EFT will eliminate the negative drivers that's causing you to make decisions and choices that might not be the best for you. It eliminates fear from events in the past that contribute to your decisions today, and it helps to change your belief systems. It helps you make a cognitive shift so that you can make a different choice. I'm going to teach you emotional freedom techniques so that you can make healthy decisions, different choices, and really succeed at this. That's what I want for you to really succeed. So here we go. Thank you for watching, and let's do this.